Heute lernen wir einige Begrüßungen auf Deutsch. Hey everyone, today we'll be learning a few greetings in German. Los geht's, let's go. The most common greeting is Hallo oder Hi. Noch einmal, once again, Hallo oder Hi. People also greet each other with Hey, wie geht's? Wie geht's? Which means how's it going, or what's up, or how are you? And the response to this could be Danke, sehr gut, which means thanks, I'm doing great. Or you could say Danke, gut, which means thanks, I'm good. If things are so, then you say Es geht. Es geht. Oder so la la. So la la. So someone comes up to you and says, Na, wie geht's? And you're just doing so. And you say, Es geht, which means it's going. Oder so la la. So. If you're not doing too good, you say, Nicht so gut. Oder mir geht es nicht gut. Noch einmal, once again, nicht so gut. Oder mir geht es nicht gut. I'm not doing so well. If you're in a bit of a sarcastic mood, you could say ganz gut. So if someone comes up to you and says, Hey, wie geht's? And you're not doing too great, and you say ganz gut. Ganz gut, which is like saying just great, which is actually not that good. Then we have Guten Morgen. Noch einmal, Guten Morgen, which means good morning. And then later in the day you can say Guten Tag. Guten Tag, which means good day, but it's also another way of saying hello. Dann haben wir Guten Abend. Guten Abend, which means good evening. Dann haben wir Gute Nacht. Noch einmal, once again, Gute Nacht. We don't say Guten, please be careful. We say Gute Nacht, which means good night. And this is said at the very end of the day when you're completely done with your day and you're about to sleep. Now coming to how we can say bye. So the most common way of saying bye in German is to say Tschüss. Noch einmal, Tschüss. People also say Ciao, which is an Italian word, but it also means bye. So you can say Tschüss oder Ciao, which both mean bye. Another way of saying bye is to say Auf Wiedersehen. Noch einmal, Auf Wiedersehen, which means bye or goodbye or see you again. But this is more on the formal end. We also have Bis bald oder Bis später. Bis bald oder Bis später. Bis bald is see you soon. Bis später is see you later. Bis bald, see you soon. Bis später, see you later. So, wie sagt man Tschüss in Ihrer Sprache? So how does one say bye in your language? Write in the comments below. Dankeschön, thanks a lot, tschüss und bis bald.